The lithium-ion batteries used in electric vehicles can suffer internal short circuits caused by manufacturing defects or impact damage. A battery with an internal short circuit can rapidly heat up, causing thermal runaway. Thermal runaway in one cell can spread to nearby cells and ignite the entire battery system. To prevent such situations, various international standards require tests for thermal propagation due to thermal runaway during design valuation and certification testing. In this test, methods like heating or nail penetration are used to initiate the thermal runaway. By simulating excessive battery heat generation, the impact of thermal runaway on the battery system can be confirmed. Monitor the thermal propagation process, by which heat spreads from the thermal runaway event to the battery system by logging the voltage and temperature of each cell. By defining the mechanism, it is possible to include heat propagation countermeasures into the development of battery packs. Furthermore, several standards specify requirements based on the amount of change in voltage and temperature, and demand the recording of measured data. The measurement unit and main unit of the wireless data logger LR8450-01 can be connected wirelessly. Collect the measurement data safely from a distant location in real time. If the temperature rises significantly, set an alarm to notify you and stop the test if necessary. Need to record other parameters for your thermal runaway test? We also have the strain measurement unit, which is useful to monitor the deformation of the battery's enclosure. A faster measurement unit with a speed of 1 millisecond sampling for voltage monitoring is also available. For your EV and battery safety, run the test with HIOKI's data logger. Check our website to learn more.